A sudden shift, a roar in the night, and eastern Afghanistan's destiny changed. A 6.0 magnitude earthquake, with its epicenter near Jalalabad, struck just after 11:47 p.m., collapsing homes and crushing lives across Kunar, Nangarhar, and Lagman provinces. The toll, over 800 dead and nearly 3,000 injured. Villages made of mud brick and wood were flattened. Aftershocks followed, one at magnitude 5.2, delaying rescue operations. Landslides blocked roads, cutting off entire communities. Rescue teams scrambled. Rescuers flew by helicopter to deliver aid, while others dug through rubble by hand. The Taliban government and local volunteers led efforts, backed by UN teams and neighboring Iran's aid, but resources are stretched. This region is tragically no stranger to seismic disasters. In 2023, a similar quake killed over 1,400 people. Now, with crumbling infrastructure and limited international support, the response remains slow and under-resourced. So as survivors struggle to access help in the rubble, the critical question looms: will aid reach those who might otherwise be forgotten?